Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the physical connection so you can rule out simple failures. Plug a known good HDMI cable into the Xbox and TV, then select the matching input on the display. Once done, perform a quick power cycle. Hold the Xbox power button 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart. This clears video handshake issues and forces the console to renegotiate resolution. Make sure the controller is synced so you can access settings immediately. Now go into Settings and navigate to TV and Display options. This is where you directly control output. You should select a safe resolution like 1080p and a compatible refresh rate such as 60Hz. Higher modes require HDMI 2, 0/2, 1 and matching TV support. If the screen stays blank, use the resolution reset. Hold the controller's power and sync during boot to force low resolution mode. Then incrementally raise settings while watching for artifacts so you understand capability limits. Finish by confirming the chosen settings across games and apps so scaling and HDR behave consistently. Enable HDR only if your display reports HDR support. Make sure the Xbox firmware and TV firmware are up to date to avoid handshake bugs. If problems persist, swap ports or try another TV to isolate the fault. This tells you whether it's cable, console, or display. One key troubleshooting tip. If resolution keeps reverting, backup saves and perform a factory reset to clear corrupt display configs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.